In today's video, I'll show you how to add page filters in Looker Studio reports so you can focus on the data that matters most. Start by opening your browser and logging into Looker Studio. Once you're on your dashboard, open the report you want to edit and navigate to the specific page where the filter will apply. Next, go to the top menu, click on Page and select Current Page Settings. Then, look at the Properties panel on the right and switch to the Setup tab. Here, scroll down to the Filter section and click the blue Add a Filter button. If you already have filters created, you can select one from the drop-down. Otherwise, click Create a Filter to make a new one. Define the filter conditions by including or excluding data based on dimensions like dates or metrics like numerical values. Once everything is set, click Save. And that's it. Your page filter is now applied, letting you highlight the most relevant data and make your Looker Studio reports clearer and more actionable. Happy reporting!